Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're addressing a seriously frustrating issue, LinkedIn constantly crashing on your iPhone. Whether the app closes immediately after opening, freezes randomly, or crashes when you try to view specific content, I've got practical solutions that should get your professional networking back on track. Let's start with the simplest and most effective fixes. Often, app crashes come down to minor software glitches that are easy to resolve. First, try force closing the app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, or double-click the home button on older iPhones to view your open apps. Find the LinkedIn app and swipe it up and off the screen to close it completely. Wait a few seconds, then reopen it. This clears the app from memory and often fixes temporary glitches. Next, check for app updates. Outdated apps are a common cause of crashes. Open the App Store, tap your profile icon in the top right, and scroll down to see pending updates. If LinkedIn is listed, tap Update next to it. If you don't see it there, search for LinkedIn in the App Store and update it directly from there. If the app is still crashing, let's check your phone's storage. Go to Settings, the General iPhone Storage. If your storage is nearly full, less than 1 GB available, this can cause apps to crash. Free up some space by deleting unused apps, old messages, or photos, then try LinkedIn again. Now, let's try resetting the app's data without deleting it. Go to Settings, the General iPhone Storage, LinkedIn. Tap Offload App. This removes the app but keeps your documents and data. Then tap Reinstall App to get it back. This often fixes corruption issues without losing your login information. For persistent crashes, try resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, the General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. You'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks afterward, but this can resolve connection-related crashes. If you're still experiencing issues, try deleting and reinstalling the app completely. Press and hold the LinkedIn app icon, tap Remove App, then Delete App. Restart your iPhone, then download LinkedIn fresh from the App Store. You'll need to log in again, but this gives you a clean installation. As a last resort, check if the issue is with your iOS version. Make sure you're running the latest version of iOS by going to Settings, General, Software Update. Install any available updates, as these often include bug fixes for app compatibility. I know how frustrating it is when an essential app like LinkedIn keeps crashing, especially when you're trying to network or job hunt. One of these solutions should stabilize your app. For most people, simply updating the app or restarting their phone does the trick. If this guide helped you get LinkedIn working smoothly again, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more app troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.